Okay, people. Today let's talk about the clutch. Well, you're looking at it. In fact, this is the main clutch lever that operates the clutch. Well, this contraption called a Z-bar, because there's one here and one there, it operates it. And it operates it like this. If you take this going up, then that's going backwards. See? Because of the Z-bar, and this is free to move. And this is how the clutch works. And that was easy because the clutch pedal was about here. Because the seating position was about here. So you push the pedal, and then this went up. I will show you now in a minute. And that's how the system works, or worked, I would say, because the seating position is now here, and the clutch pedal is now here. And I try to show you what happens if I press the pedal, the clutch pedal. See, this steel rod goes up. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the general idea. Again, so I push it in, and you see the steel rod goes up about 5-6 centimeters, so 2 inches, because of this lever. Well, in fact, it was a lever on the other side, but that's not important now. This, I try to explain the system to you and what I have to do. So, the idea is, and I will put it back a little, the idea is that this, the Z-bar really has to move from there to here. Then when you can see it now, it goes up, the Z-bar goes up, and this goes back. And then I can make, with this rod that is laying here now, for the time being, I could put it here on the main clutch lever, and not push it, but pull it back. As you can see, this that's going there, 1.5 meters, will pull it back then. That's about the idea that I thought of. Is it possible? Well, first of all, this is bolted on, this Z-bar thing. So yes, that can be taken off. It should go here, under here where the rod comes out. I have to lengthen this rod, I think, but that's of course not a problem. And then the Z-bar, it has to, somewhere here, sticking downwards with one, and the other one sticking backwards here. So the Z-bar, it's about here, and the rod going up like that. That should do the trick, I think. I'm not 100% sure. As a matter of fact, I studied psychology. I have a master's degree in psychology, but now I wish that I had a degree in mechanical engineering, because a mechanical engineer would tell me now right away if this will function or not. I still have a little bit of doubt, but when I'm thinking about it, because the doubt is because this is very sturdy, and you need a lot of strength, and of course it is only possible with the right momentum or torque. I don't know what exactly the English word is, but you know that how longer you make this, the fewer the less power you need to operate it. because I'm not able to make these calculations. I can't do that. I will just put the same thing here, because as it did this thing here, it should do its thing here. And when I attach a steady rod, well, in fact, nothing is a steel rod. I think nothing changes. The only thing that changes is from the push side, it will be on the pull side. But, well, to me, that's about the same. So I think, no, I know. I will do this. I will do it like this. I will loosen this and try to, put it on a right side so that everything can move here. And then we'll see, if it works or not. So let's get to it. Well, let's see if we can take this thing loose. It's pretty heavy. It's bolted on. Let's see. It's 9/16, and okay. It's very. It's not that. I don't know if I think this is the bolt side. The nut is, I think, underside, or it's a welded nut, maybe. Can't be sure. My lengthening device maybe does the trick. Let's see. Yeah, haha! It does the trick. Very good. Yes, let me feel if the... Yeah, it's a welded nut on the underside. It's it doesn't turn, so that's good, I think. Let's see. Something happens. Yes, it's coming up. That's good. Yes. Well, that's it. Bit rusty, but went out pretty easy. So let's do the other one. The other one is a bit more complicated because it also holds, I think, a piece of the steering rack. Well, just let's try. It's not even that tight, so that's good. Sorry. One moment. Yeah. That's going easy. A long knot. Bolt, sorry. A long bolt, well, it's the same. No, it's the same. So, also a bit rusty, but no problem. Yeah, this is loose now. I still got some old brake wire, how you call this, attached to it. So let me see if I can take this loose or not. Let's see. Oh, this is, look at this, how loose this is. That's not good, is it? It is attached to the... it's missing a bolt. Ha! Funny. It's attached to the casing, to this casing, and well, it's missing a bolt. I can see it. yeah, and the other one is loose. Funny. But never mind that. Now the only thing that's holding it really is this brake line. I think I just cut it. I have cut it already because there will be all new brake lines throughout the total new car. So I just cut these old ones. They're rusted and well, they're no good. Therefore, yeah, I will cut it. Kinderen net niet, boy. Okay, let's see. That's loose now. Okay. And got it. Okay, this is the total contraption. As you can see, funny how it works. I mean, this is okay. Well, I can clean it and put some new grease in it. But first of all, I have to be sure that I know how to put it there. No, first of all, we take this off. That's the next what we will do. Okay, very tiny bits you can turn. As you hear, 2 or 3 clicks and then I think it's about finger tight now. And it is. Well, it was really very loose. Very loose. It's turning now, easy. And I can, yep, there it is. Pull it out with my fingers. Okay. There it is. That's the other side. As you can see, only one bolt. This one was missing. And this one was in very loose. So, but it's the other side, and well, this went out very easy. I thought it would be very stuck, because these are things that, well, you never take off. Why should you? In the life of such a truck. And it is, well, maybe you can see it. It is pretty rusty under what I got off. Let me see. See, it's pretty pretty rusted. So well, so far the dismantling of this Z-bar, and well, next time we will look into how we position it 1.5 meters back, and how to bolt it on the chassis there, because it's not all exactly the same. But that we will see next time. Well, let's see. I have it here, and now it should be placed somewhere here. There is, in fact, a hole in the chassis right here. Well, that might be very funny if that would work. Here is the rod that is now a little too short, and it will pull up this lever if it's good, and then the other lever goes backwards. Well, it should. Wow, maybe it could work. I mean, let me just put a bolt in, just a minute, if this old bolt will fit or not. thing is pretty heavy by its own. Of course I can pull it out like this. Okay, no, I might try that. You can look, or I don't know, it's possible that you see something, maybe you see only my back, but okay, un momento, there we are. Let's just, for the time being, this is for sake of trying, you know, just nothing. Finger tight. And then we have this, so we put it on like that. Okay, now you can see, I think, what I mean. Well, this is exactly what I mean. This should be like this. If I make the hole here in the floorboard a little different, I could even use this this part of the Z-bar. There would be no problem. Then the underside is doing okay, taking it backwards. And it's only 2.5 inches, about 6 centimeters that the travel of the clutch is. So that is not a whole lot. It's just, you know, like 6 centimeters. The only thing I will show you is that there is, where my hand is, there is nothing. It's plain air where my hand is. So it's impossible to put this. So I have to make some kind of frame, some kind of subframe, where I can put the other side of this Z-bar. I have to think about that, but that might, yeah, well, of course that's possible. We'll see how we go about there. But that's, I think, the only, real thing to construct and to make. And then I can, with a longer rod from the pedal box, I might, it might work. Yeah, well, let's see next time. Okay, I I have put in a steel beam to be able to attach the Z-bar, and well, it's quite simple. This steel beam I cut so that it connects this cross member with the one in the back. As you may see, the other cross member, well, I just cut the steel beam that way that it fits. Was a bit fiddly because this cross member here, as you may see, is skewed. It's not straight, so therefore this is not the same length. But well, it's well, very good. It just bolted it down here and the back too, of course. And well, then I could bolt the Z-bar to it, and well, it's it's going nowhere, as you say. Very satisfied with that. Simple and efficient. Well, of course, as you can see now, this is the way it will function. This is the normal position, as I would say. Taking it up with a clutch pedal means pulling it down there at that lever, and that might do the trick if we connect it all with with a piece of steel like that to the clutch, and well, that's about it. Now I have to connect all this with a steel rod, and here of course with the clutch pedal, because it's now coming on the other side as it was. In the old situation it was on the right side of the pedal box, so now it's on the left side. So I have to change these rods, and I will make a piece here. I used an old piece, and I will weld it here, and then it will go up like that, as you can see. So far so good. Up to the next job.